Hello Geek and Repair fan. Welcome to another tutorial from troniccenter.com. Today we will show you how to replace the hard drive on MacBook Pro Unibody A1278. Get your tool ready. Let's begin. Open the bottom case screws. Pull the bottom case out. Unplug the battery. Open the hard drive bracket screws. Take the bracket out. Now you have the hard drive. You just unplug the hard drive. This is 160 gigabyte. Can replace or upgrade with any size you want. This is a 500. Just connect it to the flex cable. Turn the bracket. Tied up the bracket screws. Return the bottom case the same position. Oh, before that, we need to plug the battery. Close the bottom case. Tied up the screws, and your computer ready to start. For your next repair project, please visit us at www.troniccenter.com to find all tools and original pre-owned parts for your repair project. We hope you enjoy this tech episode. Please do not forget like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tech videos. Thank you.